Welcome to my messy garage. It's Monday, May 11th. We're getting started. It's about 5:15 in the afternoon. Just finished working. We're putting in our sound deadening insulation, which is going on right now with the little woman. And you got my 1,000 pack of tie wraps, so I can finish tying up this stuff and get this insulation on, cut a hole in the wood down there, and I could start to put the wood on down there. Hopefully, anyway. We got all of our sound deadening installed, and you know, it makes a huge difference once you get the whole area done. It really deepens the ring to, you know, like a Lincoln Continental versus a Ford Escort, you know what I mean? So we got this side all done. I got a little piece in here, but these other 3 windows, we're not putting it in there because I thought we had extra, but we've got just enough to finish these 4 below these windows here. And I'm gonna buy another pack, a small pack of it anyway, because up above the driver's window, that piece of metal up there, it does ring a lot. So I'm definitely gonna buy some more anyway. The small pack was 5 square feet, and that's probably about 5 square feet in that. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes up here, what I have left over, and how much money I want to spend on this stuff. But I gotta tell you guys, very impressive how much quieter the bus is with this. I don't know if I'm wasting my time and money that just these bats would have done the same thing, but I'm comfortable knowing that I've done my best. I gotta roll that one out. I forgot to roll that one out. So yeah, very exciting. We've already used up 1 whole pack of our insulation, so I got 2 more packs to go, and I got to still put insulation behind this. I got to put insulation in there, and then all the stuff in the front, and we're going to call the walls done here pretty soon. That's going to be a great day. That's going to be a really great day that I could be in the bus and it won't be so hot, because boy, I could tell you, just with that little piece of insulation I had on right there before I had to take it down, the afternoon sun, when it starts beating on this side of the bus, I could tell the AC was able to cool this thing off on a hot afternoon, no problem. Well, little problem anyway. It's only a 9,000 BTU. Check out the difference in the sound deadening. This side has got none. Now let's go to the other side that's got the sound deadening. This is Silex, 80 mil. Is that amazing? All that is the Silex. There's nothing else.
No insulation.
Now these don't have it. But this one does.
You want to go and knock on the one with the insulation now?
Even more deadened. The screen is rattling. What a difference, man. Sounds like an RV.